everybody. Welcome to Flowers Between Friends. This is the Christmas edition holiday edition of Flowers Between Friends, right?
Yeah, it is.
I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at LenBuschRoses.
And I'm Kristin Thomas. I'm marketing coordinator here at LenBusch. And this is our first time we decided in the supply warehouse.
Yeah.
This is our supply warehouse, so welcome.
We're introducing you to something different today.
Yeah, we don't do a lot of
New part of LenBusch.
things down here because it's a lot of cardboard and it's not pretty, I guess.
It's a lot of cardboard with pretty stuff in it,
Inside.
but all you can see are cardboard. So we kind of rated boxes today.
Yeah, we did. We had fun. In fact, we got very distracted. We were a little off schedule today.
Look at this! Oh my gosh, look at that!
It's different, and I know you guys understand this, to actually like feel and touch things versus seeing a picture. So even though we've seen things on our cart, seeing them in person, all of a sudden we got more excited. So we are here to share some of our favorite things, and I think we added a few things to our list.
Yeah, we're calling this a few of our favorite things episode here, and we did. We found, we picked out some stuff, and well, here's kind of what happened, right? Santa came a little bit late to LenBuschRoses, so we all know what's happening as far as shipping and getting things to us and getting things off the water and across the country, however that's going to be working. And it's an issue. So some of our things that we ordered a year ago, 10 months ago, are just showing up in this last week.
Yes.
So we wanted to show, Kristin and I we picked through some items and boxes, and we just really want to show you a few of our favorite things that have just arrived that are here. You've got last minute needs in your store, we know it, and here are some of the fun things that we're going to show you today that you can get in your store. We still have 10 days left before Christmas, so they need to get these things and get them ready for the holidays, because your customers will want them. So let's show them, Kristin. What do you have?
Oh, I get to go first?
Yeah, you could show you a few.
I just don't even know where to start. So
start with the buffalo.
Oh, you want to go this way?
The buffalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So as Minnesotans, I feel like this is kind of our thing, right? I mean, even when it wasn't trendy, it still was for us Minnesotans. Something about that whole Paul Bunyan look.
Absolutely. We love it. Flannel look. Yep.
Can't get enough of it. We have a couple of containers that's, this is an 8-inch, I think.
I think it's an 8-inch, and then we've got a 6-inch oval.
Yeah.
So 2 6s would fit in here.
Right. So we all love we call it like the peanut basket kind of look, where you can get 2 blooming plant on one side, a green plant on the other, 2 blooming, 2 green, whatever. You got some options. You could even do a fresh cut on one side.
Oh, yeah.
And then a plant on the other as a gift.
Great
gift item. Even like wine or something on one side and plant on the other.
I would like that.
I mean, it's just, the options are endless. And this size is a good spot for like that 7.5-inch poinsettia or a little bit larger plant. Some really cute ones in that buffalo plant that we all love.
Or some ice in a bottle of champagne or something.
Again,
makes it nice.
Okay.
What else? Okay. How about these?
Because we were excited about those.
Kristin.
I know.
We just really do. Look at these guys. Aren't they the best?
Santa's belt.
Look at. Just so cute.
Super cute. And I do love that the buckle of the belt is what would you say
it's
is
raised.
Yeah, it's raised.
This little it actually looks like
and
then there's some distressing on them. They're really, really cute boxes. Inside they've got liners. I mean, it's a set of 3. You buy them a set of 3 nesting boxes, but how awesome. Break these apart. You've got little gift boxes filled with soaps and chocolates and bubble bath and all kinds of fun things, and then plant gardens, I mean, oh my gosh. Poinsettias and Norfolks in here, or fresh arrangement.
Right. And for me, I always like to think of something that can be long term. So after the flowers are gone, I really like, if this was in my house now, this size would be where I'd put my Christmas cards.
Yes,
I think it's just the perfect size where you have it on your counter, and all your Christmas cards that you're getting in come in here.
Love that.
Cute little storage for, mittens or little things here and there. So when you're kind of switching out, I think it's a gift within a gift.
It
really.
is. So. And that's the great thing, Kristin, is that, thanks for pulling it out, it is a gift within the gift. So this makes an awesome item for your store, 2-for-1 kind of thing. So
super cute.
Yeah, these are just so fun. So
do you want to go back and forth, or do you want to?
Let's go back and forth.
Okay, so I'm kind of switching gears a little bit because this is more of an elegant look.
Right.
Georgia was sweet enough to give us some inspiration, so she made this piece. I want to make sure. Am I in the front? There. So this little cachet has the little gold trees embossed on it, and then she did kind of more of that elegant white look with the white roses and the little millimeter balls that have the glittery. Love these.
And we have this in 2 sizes. So this is the smaller size. This is the 4 by 3.5, I believe.
I'm trusting you
on
that.
And I think we have a 4.5 by 5, I believe.
Okay.
So there's 2 different sizes of this cachet.
Yeah.
And so they're just, I like the small size. He's cute and
Yeah.
petite. And
Well, and Georgia and I were discussing things we were going to pick before today, and she's like, I'm going to go with some gold pieces. And I was like, oh, okay, that's fine. That's not really mine. And then when I saw this, I'm like, love it.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it.
That it's a cutie.
Especially when it's paired.
Paired with this guy.
On this one.
Yes. And
so-
one of the new items that just came in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this pot
he's
too.
pottery and just
It's got
really
a little bit
cute.
more of a muted matte finish to
Matte
this one,
gold, yep.
which I feel like is really on trend. And then we were saying how cute for a 4-inch Norfolk, and then Georgia dropped it in, and it looked like it was made for it.
Right.
You
Perfect.
cannot see the
Yeah.
rim at
Which
all.
We have a bunch of these Norfolk right now, don't we?
We do.
got-
We do. We have 4 and 6
We
inch.
have these.
Yep.
So you need some last minute gift ideas. This is the perfect thing that your customers are going to want to grab and walk out the door for going to the holiday party for a little hostess gift type of thing.
Yes.
Or to have in your counter at your home.
Yes.
And next to a pairing little piece. So look at this. Match
Yeah.
your golds. You can even you can mix matte with shiny gold. You really
Oh,
can.
sure,
Mixing
absolutely.
metals is a really big thing right now. Even mixing your silvers and your tones and your bronzes. It's all of
Yep.
that. So mix these. They're fun.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, I
Everybody
love
needs a
these.
little gold. Yes. Some of us love tradition. Some of us love non-tradition. Some of us love gold, silvers.
I feel like
There's
this is more of a
something for
wintry
everybody.
look too. It's not
It
as
is.
Christmassy. It's more wintry.
know.
This definitely looks good through,
Yeah.
January.
Absolutely
Yeah.
love it. Yeah,
Yeah, like
I love
these.
that white and gold look. But I'm traditional too. But I love every look. I just really do.
Yes, you do.
Okay, should we talk
Yes.
about
Yeah.
And again, a few of our favorite things. This, that being one of our favorite things. We both picked this out without knowing we had picked it out. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
This was definitely one of our favorite things. Look at this fun sleigh.
It's so
He
cute.
is just ready to, jump on the snow and take somebody for a ride. Look at how pretty that is. And I made it a little garden. I shined up a cute little 3.5-inch ivy and put a 4-inch cypress in here and just a couple little embellishments, and just look. That's stinking cute, Kristin.
I know.
Cute little dish garden. Imagine a frosty fern in here too.
Yeah, that would be so
And
cute.
one of the Norfolk pines
Right.
in here. We've got them. And then just cute little idea. Look at it, and it's so adorable.
Sleighs are always a big seller too.
They are,
I
and it's
feel
finished
like
on both sides.
we can't usually keep them in stock, but
I
again,
know.
because it's just got here, we do have some.
We do.
Yeah. And I feel like in the picture on our cart, it looks smaller than it is.
I
was surprised at how big it was.
Yeah, when I
Yeah.
got it up here, I went, oh my gosh,
Yep.
it is definitely. Yep. Oh, we missed our lights. Background lights.
Yeah,
went off.
times or energy saving.
Yeah.
We definitely. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna try it. There you go. You got it, Kristin. So yeah, it is bigger. Yes, bigger than what I thought
Yeah.
it would be.
Yeah.
So, and I love how it's finished on both sides. Sometimes
Yep.
we get those sleighs in and they're only
one-sided.
cute on one side, but
Yep.
it's adorable. Great. There's a liner in here, so it comes with a liner, so you can do a fresh arrangement as well as something cute like this.
And it does have matching pieces.
Yes.
This, I think there's one
There
smaller.
is
it's a smaller
There's
one
a
than this.
There's a 4.5-inch, and
Yep.
then there is a 7 and 8 or 8-inch, whatever that is.
Yep.
Yeah.
So cute coordinating pieces.
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. We need those. What
Okay,
else do we have?
you go on your
Okay,
side.
Here, you want to talk? Should we talk about those?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Oh yeah, these are one of our favorites.
Yes. We love these.
So we just love galvanized. I
Yeah.
feel like with that the whole farm look. But we have them in both red and white.
Yeah. There we
That
go. Yeah.
white. I mean, this one I feel like is year round, and honestly, this one is great for now all the way through Valentine's.
Right.
So you pick them up now. Either one, I think
Yeah.
you're going to get yourself right through February.
Definitely can use both of them, like Kristin said, all year round. And this one,
Yep.
definitely through February.
Yep, this is very on
Absolutely.
trend too.
Should we
And
talk about that with
so
it
we'll
then?
do
Yeah.
this, and I love this
Yes.
shape because you don't
Love
see this
it.
one very often. It's more
Right.
tall and narrow. It still fits a 6.5 or 6-inch.
Yes.
Well, it could do
Well,
a 6.5 too because you had some space.
Yes. So this is what I did. We have a bunch of these these are 6-inch or 6.5-inch
6-inch Norfolks. Yep.
We do have a bunch of these right now. And what I did is I just put a little bit of styrofoam in the bottom to build this up. So it's actually sitting right about there. And then I just put some stuff. I was looking for burlap,
Yeah.
but I just dress it up however you want to finish it off. And just because there was a little gap here, but it looks adorable. It's ready to walk out the door perfectly
I
like
love
that.
this one.
Great little tabletop mock Christmas tree type
Agreed,
of thing,
agreed.
or cute for an entryway. Again, adorable hostess gift. So these are the kind of things you want in your store for people to just cash and carry, walk out the door with it, and just
Right.
and have fun with it yourself. Design it however you want, embellish it however you want.
Yep.
And do we want to talk about where this guy was grown?
Oh,
real
yeah.
quickly?
So I'm not going to be exact, but Norfolk is a place in the southern hemisphere, so its temperatures usually don't drop below low 60s.
Right.
And so coming over to Minnesota, it does goes through a little bit of a shock, which changes the coloration of like the newer growth, kind of gives it a little bit more of that, what would you call this color?
It's kind of a
maybe pinky beigey
right.
color.
Yep.
Nothing wrong with it.
No, there isn't.
It's fine.
Yep.
Don't let it make you feel like it's drying out or whatever. It's fine. It's just a little bit like, oh, it's chilly here in Minnesota, but it's okay.
And so we want to draw attention to that on purpose because we want you to understand it's beautiful, it's healthy. Look at this, it's very healthy. Nothing wrong with it. So if you get them into your store and go, oh, I think there's something wrong with it, just know where it was grown. It's like different variety. It's still beautiful.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Love
and
this
look at
container.
this. Yes,
Love
so
this
pair
container.
those together. You need to grab those.
Super cute.
And again, we're going to put all this information at the end of this, right, Kristin?
Yes.
Like
Yep.
it'll be
We'll make sure we
posted
put
with the
codes on.
post. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, awesome.
Yep.
So then let's just show
Lastly-
them what we did here then.
Yep.
Well, so this is the same pot. So again, exact same pot right here. And all I did was make an indoor planter. I used all kinds of greenery. I've got some oasis in there and water and the same thing. And I just made it an indoor planter.
Which I love that.
Yeah.
I think that would be very cute. I mean, if you have a big table, great. Otherwise, a floor piece. I can picture places I would like it in my house too. So you just keep it watered, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like you would a fresh arrangement.
Absolutely, fresh
It'll hold
arrangement.
through.
It's oasis and water, and that's exactly it.
Yep.
This will last a long time because we all know Christmas greenery really lasts as long as it's got a water
As
source.
long as it's got a water source.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is so pretty. I
Okay.
love that.
Let's talk about. You want to talk about the gnome guy?
Oh, you guys and your gnomes, you love them.
Yeah.
It's almost always the first item to sell is anytime
Right.
we have a gnome or something with a gnome on it, it's the first thing to go. And I think this pot is so cute.
He's cute.
Kind of in the grays and reds, just little cute gnomes all the way through.
Yeah.
And it is a 6, I would say if looking at it, probably a 6-inch,
I think it's
6.5 inch
Yep, I would agree.
across the top.
Right.
I apologize for not knowing that for sure. But again, these just came. They were made to pair with some of the gnomes we brought in earlier in the season, but they came later. So here they are.
Right. And it's that gray and red, very popular.
Yeah.
Very, very popular
Yeah.
design and color
cute.
matching. So yeah, perfect
Yep.
for the holidays.
Like it.
Okay, these are one of my favorites. Again, a few of our favorite things to talk about that. You want to
Sure.
pull those apart, Kristin? So again, set of 3, you've got the plaid, the flannel again with the trucks on and 3 different designs of the truck. And the green plaid, red plaid, and the black and white plaid. So just love it. Yep, there we go. Just love
Sure.
it. They're so cute. And again, we think these are what, the 6.5-inch size again,
Yes.
Kristin, you think?
Yep. You're
Gosh,
going on that size.
we've
I
got
know.
Buffalo.
Sorry,
We've got sticky or like little fingers or.
I know.
We're dropping things and everything.
Wanting
here.
our measuring
But look
tapes.
at this. We love it.
Yep,
They're
this is
just
a last
so
minute grab
cute.
as we walk through the aisles. Like, ooh,
Absolutely.
cute set of 3.
These are adorable. So
Yep.
these, again, pop a Norfolk pine in here, cypress, whatever, plant garden. These are cute.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, these are
Agree.
going to go.
Very Minnesota.
Absolutely. We got one more there.
Oh, do we? Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
This is,
one
I would say, a
more.
little bit more of a traditional
Yep.
piece.
But cute nonetheless.
Yep, it is.
Actually, it's almost got this vintage
It does.
look to it,
It
doesn't
does.
it?
Yeah. It's got a little bit more of that
vintage
worn
look.
look. Right on the inside does have a liner again. And cute pot for just a quick drop in, a little upgrade.
Right.
Yeah, I think this to me looks a little bit more of like a 6-inch versus
I
a
think
6.5.
I would agree. I think
Yeah.
that's a 6-inch.
Yeah, which is cute.
Yeah.
Yep,
So there
fun.
we go. A few of our favorite things.
Literally
Did
a
we
few.
talk about it all?
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
all that we
did.
picked, we could have talked
there's,
about more.
there's
but-
much more. Yeah, the cart is loaded right now. So
Yep.
what is the easiest way for, like, if they were to go on the cart, what is the easiest way to jump to those supplies?
Oh,
Is
now
it
you're
just click on
challenging me.
supplies,
Yes.
click on, then they can put in the description, perhaps metal or.
Yep, I was going to say
something like
containers, metal.
containers.
Yep.
Okay,
A lot of
yeah.
what we talked about, pretty much all we talked about except for the wood
Right.
boxes and the little pottery
Yeah,
was metal.
ceramic and
Yep.
pottery. Yep,
Yep.
absolutely.
Absolutely. And your salespeople are obviously more
Right.
than willing to help you find them too.
Yep,
Yeah.
exactly. So there you go from Flowers Between Friends.
Yes.
And this is the last time we'll see them.
This year.
Right, this
2021.
So we wish all of you
A very Merry Christmas.
very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and
Yes,
glad
we'll
to do another year with you.
Right. We'll see you in the new year.